Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Candra Alim Pasambuna.
Hello, I'm Khoirotun Nisa Assifa.
I am Fadila Masira.
Today we will discuss what the Zoom application and how to use it.
Online meeting application or software such as Zoom have now become an option that must be installed or used for workers, school children, college students, and also people who want to worship and want to stay connected from home or wherever they are when they are not can leave the house or there are restrictions for some reason. In the past, perhaps software like this was less popular and used by many people now since the coronavirus outbreak or what is also known as COVID-19. Everyone's team works as much as possible from home or work from home, worship from home, gather from home, school from home, study from home, and do other activities that can be done from home. What is Zoom applications? The Zoom application is an application that we can use to conduct video conferences remotely or online. We can chat, share files, and also does several other things. This is an application that is used for long-distance communication. Zoom is the most popular video conferencing application for collaborating or meeting online without any obstacles.
Through this video, I will show you how to join and participate in our online meetings that have been scheduled by other people or by our boss or by our teacher, by our lecturer or by our elder, and I will also show you how to adjust the appearance of turning off the microphone and turning on our microphone, then turn on our video camera and also turn off our video camera on our computer or on our cell phone. Zoom video conferencing can help me and you to meet online together from anywhere and at any time as long as you and I are connected to an internet connection. Log in to Zoom desktop client. Click the Home tab. Click Join Science Place. Enter your meeting ID and display name. If you are logged in, change the name. If you do not want to default name to appear. If you are not logged in, enter a display name. Select whether you want to connect audio and video. You can join with computer audio. If you want to turn off your microphone, you can click mute, and if you want to stop video, you can click this button. The end meeting, you can click end meeting for all.
With the help of the Zoom application, you not only you can see my face and also the faces of the people you want to meet, but also you can hear each other voices. You can also share documentation files in collaboration with each other using virtual whiteboards, and you can even record the entire meeting session that you heard and share the result of the recording to the people you want to share.
So this special guide on how to use Zoom is suitable for those of you.
I hope this video is useful.
Don't forget to like, comment,
Share and subscribe.
And see you in the next video. Thank you.